Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial I'll go over what TranscribeMe is, what they do and how they work. I'll also talk about whether they're legit or a scam, and if being a transcriber can really help you earn extra income. Here are the specific topics I'm going to discuss. What is TranscribeMe? How does TranscribeMe work? What is it like working for TranscribeMe? TranscribeMe earnings. The TranscribeMe exam. Is TranscribeMe legit? Where do you go from here? So the first question is, what is TranscribeMe? It is an awesome work from home opportunity for anyone looking for some extra income. If you can pass the skills tests and consistently turn in quality work, it will lead to more teams and higher pay. I don't recommend it as a replacement for a full-time job though. TranscribeMe is one such company to monetize your downtime and can be a good side hustle for a part-time freelancer. Their online interface is easy to use and operate. One good thing about TranscribeMe is that your working hours are flexible. You can log into TranscribeMe Work Hub anytime and start transcribing short 2 minutes audio files one after the other. The next question is, how does TranscribeMe work? Let me first say, transcription isn't as easy as it sounds. It's a great way to make money online, but you'll often listen to multiple people talking over each other, heavy accents and slang that can be hard to understand. To top it all off, the audio is often poor quality. It's a skill you develop over time, and the better you get, the more you can earn, but it's not as easy as it sounds. Now we'll talk about TranscribeMe job requirements. Although they hire beginners, they have some requirements, so here is what you need to work at TranscribeMe. You must be of legal age to work in your region, which you will prove by scanning your driver's license or ID, an email address of course. You are also required to pass their exam. An active PayPal account to get paid. The next thing is the equipment that you should have to work for TranscribeMe. Firstly, you need is a computer that supports Google Chrome, desktop or laptop, a good speed internet connection. The skill to transcribe an audio or video file accurately in any language, mostly English. They also have clients from Asia and Europe. You can even download the TranscribeMe app from the iTunes store if you are an iPhone user. What is it like working for TranscribeMe? For a detailed breakdown you can refer to the Transcriber Handbook. Although transcription seems simple, there are some things you should know. Yes, transcription is a great way to work at home, but that doesn't mean it's entirely stress-free. I talked about some challenges already. In addition, as a freelancer, the companies you work for are your clients. You are running your own freelance company, and like any company, you're responsible for providing good customer service. That means meeting deadlines, being an excellent communicator, and being good at what you do. In this case, being good at data entry, listening, and having great typing skills. Another thing that's rarely talked about among data entry transcribers is rejection. It's great to make money online this way, but something you should keep in mind is that you may get that message eventually. The company rejects your work. That doesn't mean you'll be kicked out, and TranscribeMe allows a rejection dispute inquiry. You can challenge rejections by filling out the job rejection inquiry form, and someone from their ops team will review it, email you with an outcome, and either explain why your work was rejected or credit your account for the money you earned. Overall though, you shouldn't expect this to be a full-time gig. So I am going to answer the following question: how much does TranscribeMe pay? There are some people who do not know, they want answers. While some companies like Rev.com and GMR Transcription pay per audio minute, TranscribeMe pays between $15 to $22 per audio hour. Now, it's important to understand that an audio hour is not the same as an actual hour. You will not earn $15 to $22 per hour because it can take 3 to 4 hours for you to transcribe a single hour of audio. As a beginner, your pay will be on lower end, while those with specialized backgrounds, such as medical or legal, will earn more. If we do some math, one audio hour takes 4 hours to transcribe. Your actual per hour rate is $5. If you can do it in 2 or 3 hours, your per hour rate will be higher. So speed and accuracy matter. If you take 5 minutes to transcribe 1 minute of audio, it's going to be difficult to earn extra cash this way. That's when poor quality audio can become frustrating to deal with. So as far as how much money you can make, it depends on how efficiently you can work, how fast and accurate you are. It also depends on how much work is available, which is one complaint I'll touch on later. Now Elle will tell you more about their exam. You can access the TranscribeMe exam through the exam portal. Once inside, you will see an audio player with play, forward, and reverse controls, as well as volume. Below that is a text field where you will type the audio you hear. How long does the exam take? The TranscribeMe exam takes approximately 3 hours to complete and is divided into multiple sections, so if you are unable to complete the test in one sitting, you can save each section and come back to it later. You must click Save or Next to move on to another section, because their system will not save incomplete text, nor can they recover unfinished audio files. You have 2 attempts at passing the exam, and if you fail, you must wait 30 days before taking it again. Is TranscribeMe legit? I think this is the most important question. There are some people who really want to know if TranscribeMe is a legit company to work for. Well, TranscribeMe satisfies all the factors at the professional level, and hence they are legit to apply and work for. It has been around since 2011, they've built an excellent reputation. So where do you go from here? Earning a living from home can be difficult, and that's why you're here to learn how to do it. TranscribeMe may not be a single solution, but it's a good place to start in my opinion. Starting out in a freelance career is not like a full-time job. It's rare to land a gig that allows you to work at home and get paid a full-time wage. What does work though is combining multiple gigs, whether that's a transcription job here and there, a freelance writing side hustle, and doing some rideshare in between. It's a tremendous feeling when you put it all together, being able to generate an income on your own terms and having the freedom to do it when and where you want. It's liberating. Lastly, I want to say, TranscribeMe is legit. They hire beginners, and transcription work is a good skill to acquire. Some recommendations such as taking qualifying tests and joining teams are also things to consider. I hope my TranscribeMe review has been helpful, and if you have any comments, questions, or experience with them, please share in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video was helpful for you guys.